Hi guys, it's Mikrant from TechBasis. In this video, I'm gonna guide you how to log into CapitalOne.com under 2 minutes. Without any delay, let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your laptop or computer. Step 2. Navigate to CapitalOne.com. In the address bar, type CapitalOne.com and press enter to visit the Capital One website. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once you are on the Capital One homepage, look for login section. This is typically located at top right corner of the page or in the direct homepage. Step 4. Enter your login credentials. In the login section, you will find two input fields, username and password field. Enter your username associated with your Capital One and type in your password. If you don't have enrolled yet, click on Set up online access. And if you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forget username or password. If you are using your own device, you can click to Remember Me. But if you are using other or public device, don't click the Remember Me. If you are searching for commercial or trade credit, scroll down below and click on commercial or trade credit. Step 5. Click on the sign in button. After entering your login credentials, click on the sign in button to proceed. Step 6. Complete any additional security step. Depending on your account setting and security measures, you may be required to complete additional verification step. This could include entering one-time password sent to your registered mobile device or email. Step 7. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you should be redirected to your Capital One account dashboard. Here you can manage your credit cards, view account balance, make payment, check transaction history, and perform various other account related tasks. That's it. You should now be able to successfully log into your Capital One account. Hope you guys liked the video. Press the thumbs up button, and for more future tutorials, subscribe us.